Alright, this is the elevator to the outbound trains and the Broad Street line at Fern Rock Transportation Center in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Innovation Nemo 4 series. Let's go up to S. Door close button works. Basic elevator. There's a camera in here, so Seth might see me filming. The close button works. This used to have C.J. Anderson buttons. I'm not sure what brand this is. I think it might be a Kencor, I don't know. Yeah, that screeching you're hearing in the background, that's the Broad Street line. Installed in 1992. Runs fairly well, but it could have easily been made glass. Fleccia. And it will close up. There it goes. And that's it.